Look at those pools of melted dark chocolate, those buttery, crispy edges, and the sprinkle of flaky sea salt on top. There is nothing better than biting into the perfect ooey gooey chocolate chip cookie. It is my last bite I ever want in my life if I had to choose just one. Back to show us how to make her salted Halva chocolate chip cookies is our good friend Eden Grinshpan.
Ooh. Woohoo! And guys, surprise, surprise, the star ingredients of this recipe are once again tahini.
I'm so predictable.
A byproduct of tahini, halva.
Yes.
So
here we are.
Talk about these flavors. How do they work to just like elevate this to the best ever chocolate chip cookie?
Once you incorporate tahini into a chocolate chip cookie, there's really no going back, honestly. It is so subtle. It adds a little bit of a nuttiness to it. It adds a chewiness to it. And it adds like a depth, a richness that I think goes perfectly with chocolate chip cookie flavors, bittersweet chocolate. And I'm really elevating the tahini flavor today because I'm topping these cookies with halva.
Yes.
And halva is basically, I call it like the fudge, like a tahini fudge.
Yes, 100%.
It's so incredibly delicious. Again, nutty because it's made out of tahini. And we finish the cookies with the halva and it bakes into the cookies and it almost like melts like marshmallows.
I can't
kid
even
you
hear.
not.
It's sugar and tahini, and then it becomes toffee. It's phenomenal.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Let's make these cookies. I gotta have them.
Okay, so we have brown sugar. We have salted butter, actually.
Ooh,
yes, I'm using salted butter in here. And we're going to add in our tahini paste.
Beautiful.
And I just want you to give it a nice, whisk. We want to actually incorporate some air into there.
Oh,
we want
okay.
it to be...
So I'm gonna use a real blender.
Let me give you that blender. We want to incorporate some air in there. It also gives it a nice kind of lighter, chewier texture, I find.
Okay.
And after you get it'll change color a bit. It'll get lighter in color when you incorporate some air in there.
Wait, hold on. They won't be able to hear you one
When
sec.
they incorporate the air in there.
Tell them all the secrets.
I'm talking. I'm talking.
4, 3, 2, 1. All right. There you go. Gorgeous.
And it smells so good. I don't know, like
Yes.
if you can smell like the second it hits that, butter. You know what I mean? So now we're going to add in the egg and the vanilla extract. Also, I feel, super classic, that vanilla flavor. You just want to break it in there. And it also elevates that tahini flavor as well. So while you're mixing that, let's put together the dry ingredients.
Please.
You you work on that. So we're going to add some salt. We have baking soda and we have some cinnamon. And I find that the cinnamon is like the perfect spice to complement that tahini flavor. It has obviously that warmth to it, and it's just delicious. I absolutely love it.
All right.
So now we're just going to, why don't you just pass that to Daphne?
What?
Take it over.
I'm just gonna watch
Pour
this
the
go
whole thing in,
down.
right?
You're a very good teacher.
I'm in the middle. This is the best place to be right now. It's all coming together, guys.
Do we take it in steps, like mix in a little and then add a little more? Or
Yes, I
all
usually
in?
do it in 2 steps.
Okay.
Right until it starts to almost come together, then you throw the rest of the dry ingredients in.
All right, let me get you. This
Beautiful.
last little part. Good.
I am earning these cookies.
You really are.
You know what? I absolutely love baking by
yeah.
hand. Like baking really centers me and makes me feel calm. So after you incorporate the chocolate chip cookie,
Then you take a nap.
Did it.
After you incorporate the bittersweet chocolate chips, which I prefer, I find the flavor to just be so decadent, then we want to let it rest. Basically, the sugar absorbs the liquid from the egg and the butter, right? Like Gail's like, yes, this is exactly.
I think that's true.
Yeah, and so it
It
gets.
also, the temperature makes a big difference,
Yeah.
right?
To re-solidify the butter again.
Yeah, that's
And it gets instead of it just kind of melting out when you first bake it, it holds its shape better.
Yes,
Yes.
much
Way.
easier to work with.
Yeah. So we're going to put that into the fridge. I do around an hour. It can go up to 24 hours. It could stay in there for a week. And you just roll it out, you flatten out your cookie dough, and then you bake it at 325.
Well, not yet.
Yeah,
Not-
wait,
hold
hold
on.
on.
You're
Giving
getting
all
ahead of yourself.
Oh my God!
Don't. We're gonna show you.
Guys, that was a lot.
All right.
I just blacked out.
Calm down, everybody. So now Daphne put it in the fridge to rest. Now we're putting the final touches on these chocolate chip cookies, and Eden is giving us a sneak peek into her kitchen renovation and tips on how we can copy all her style. Yes, indeed.
It's gorgeous.
We are back with Chef Eden Grinshpan, and we are about to put the finishing touches on her salted halva chocolate chip cookies that she was getting a little ahead of us with last night because we're so excited.
I know.
What's next?
Okay, so these this batter has chilled. We take it out, we roll it. Obviously, you can make these cookies as big or as small as you'd like. And what we're going to do now is we're going to put on that halva, which is what I said, kind of like tahini fudge.
Yes.
So you just want to take a little bit. It's super sweet. It really kind of like falls apart here, girls. It's like you can. I'm just like on its own. It's like so delightful and decadent and delicious.
It's sweet and savory, which I have to say is always my weakness.
It's so good. And so you just want to take like little pieces and kind of just like push it, crumbles, however you want to do it, right onto the top. And then to really like play up even more of that like salty sweetness, we want to put some sea salt on top. We have flaky sea salt. Just want to put it right on top.
I'm gonna go get the ones that are in the oven.
Put them in the oven, 325, until they're nice and golden around the edges, and then you let them cool. Here they come. Oh yes, look at that. Hold on. But look at that.
I have both.
Okay, the halva just like it kind of like melts. Like I'm gonna put this down and go get marshmallow.
There you go.
It's got like a marshmallowy, melty vibe. Do you see that?
I mean, look at the melting
The chocolate is like bursting out of it.
Like
You don't want to let it cool.
you don't. No, these we don't let cool. These we dig in.
Oh, wow.
Okay, I'm getting
Go for it,
getting
ladies.
Yeah, get in.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
Guys, oh wow, look at that.
It's insane
that.
how chocolatey and gooey. Do you see the
Beautiful.
gooiness gushing out of this?
We're about to have so much chocolate in our teeth.
Okay.
Oh, it is
All right.
chewy.
While you guys are
so
chewing, are you enjoying that?
Yes, I am.
Tahini, I think, should be my new best friend. Why have I not been putting this? You have turned me on to a whole new world.
It will. It will. It is the best. I love it.
So nice.
So good. These are so good. These are going in the purse. We all, I have to admit, became obsessed with your kitchen renovation this year. When you chronicled it on Instagram, it is so beautiful. I mean, that is the before, clearly. It was I mean, you really did a huge amount of work to this kitchen.
Oh look, I'm actually about to like bust through that wall.
Whoa.
I mean, let's see you do it. Let's see you do it.
You know what? It is so much harder than it looks.
It's a wall. It looks hard.
Look at this.
Yeah.
Okay, you used really unique marble in these gorgeous desert tones. I want to talk a little bit about how we can get some of this style inspiration and where it came from.
So, you know, it's so interesting. It was obviously the first like renovation I've actually ever done. And Instagram is a place that you get so much inspiration. Actually, I am, you know, Athena Calderon is a big inspiration, and she does this marble shelf, and I really wanted to incorporate that because I felt that it was the perfect place to showcase all of your pottery. Also, it's so easy to grab bowls and plates when you're cooking, just the ease and the openness. And I worked with this amazing designer, Montana Burnett, and we just really wanted to capture that natural, beautiful, organic looking, you know, feel. Like we really want, I said to her,
also.
warmth.
Your personality, your cooking, your way of entertaining
Everything.
and living, it's so warm. I feel like we obviously like love this idea that your kitchen speaks to who you are, and I feel like that renovation is so you. Beautiful. You nailed your kitchen, you nailed your cookies.
Yes,
you.
we're taking all your ideas, your recipes. I'm gonna take your cookbook. I'm taking it all. All right. So thank you so much, Eden. You are the best. We just adore you. Now check out her cookbook, Eating Out Loud. She is very loud and proud about all of her cooking.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.